Sir, one petition was filed regarding the delimitation of CCP. What was the contention and prayer of the petitioner and what happened in this matter?
Basically, this is a petition filed challenging Section 9(2) of the CCP Act. The ground is that the power to do delimitation of the constituencies in the Panji Corporation should be given to the State Election Commission. Presently, it is in the hands of the Director of Municipal Administration. They had contended that such a provision is unconstitutional, and there was a challenge to that particular section. Yesterday, the arguments took place and the matter is heard completely by the court. The matter is reserved for judgment now. The date of judgment is not prescribed so far, but it will come in very short time, and we are waiting for the judgment.
What is the contention of government, sir?
The contention of the government is that it is for the state legislature to decide to whom the power of delimitation should be conferred upon. And there are several other judgments on this point. In case of panchayat elections also similar challenge was there. Such a challenge was thrown out by the High Court earlier. We relied upon that judgment of the High Court to say that power to confer upon the powers for delimitation is with the state legislature, and state legislature has exercised such power. That is the contention raised by the state government.
Thank you, sir.